Okay, this is the Seagull Edge 540, which we review in our June 2009 issue. 60-inch span, weighs 6.5 pounds, OS 46AX in the nose, could go up to a 60. The recommended range is 46 to 55 two-stroke or four-stroke equivalent. Standard servos all round. Really I flew this one because I needed a model for windy days, something to take the place of the Watt 4, but that was a little bit more interesting to fly than a Watt 4. So this is what I chose. Nicely made, usual Seagull quality, and we'll pop her in the air and show you how she flies. There we go, slowing up, throttle down to nothing, pulling an elevator now, and very good. It will drop a wing if you really push it, but that's not an aeroplane that's going to catch you out at all, so that's good.
What's it like? What's the stall like, Dave? Show us that.
Hovering with a bit of throttle and still wind there. So it's certainly not going to bite. Probably trouble hanging on to this with the camera, but we'll intersperse this, cut this with some other footage we've got of the Edge, and give you an idea of the sort of model it is. Good sports hack, really. I think that's how you could describe it. It's not a competition machine, but if you want a rugged knockabout model to fly on a day when you don't want to risk your prized airframes, then this could be one. That's it.